So, I am currently at the RV because this is where the kitten stays. She stays in the RV because we're not ready to bring her into the house. So, she she's afraid of Snowdrop and Lulu. So, you have to keep her in the RV. So, on my spare time, this is where I'm hanging out with the kitten. Come out, little stray. I don't have a name for her yet. This is like only her second day. Hello. Hello, baby. Oh, what the? She is not feral. She's just very jumpy. Can you not? I want to be friends. Okay. Alright. I mean, come out. Come out. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, you're a sneaky one, aren't you? Oh, oh. Hello. Ah! I don't know, 10 more minutes, then I'm going to the house. So, just. Okay, bye.